How to delete a Facebook page linked to your main account. So guys, first open your main Facebook account. Now tap the three lines at the top. Then find the Pages option and tap it. On this page, choose your page if you have more than one. I'll pick the second page to delete. Now the page session will open. Here you need to switch so the correct page will active. Then go back to the three lines. Scroll all the way down and tap Settings and Privacy. Keep scrolling and find the Your Information section. From there, go to Access and Control. Here you will see two options. Deactivate page hides your page for some time and keeps your data saved. Delete page removes everything forever and you can't get it back. If you want to delete your page forever, choose the last option. Then tap Continue. This page shows that Facebook may give you help or fixes, so you might not need to delete your page. You can pick the last option or choose any option that matches your problem. Then tap Continue. On this page, you can save your data or download your information. Then tap Continue again. Now you need to enter your password, the same one you use for your main account. Then tap Continue again. For the final step, select Delete Page to confirm. When you delete a Facebook page, it is not removed right away. There is a waiting time, usually about 30 days, and you can cancel the deletion during this time. After that, it will be deleted forever. Got any problem? Share it in the comments. Thanks for watching.